I start with the root notes, and at the second point, I get to play it in extended range. So when descending, for example, I play the extended range, and then start from the second tone. I start from the extended range, depending on the key. Some keys have
Okay.
extended range both ascending and descending. But for C
Okay.
major, because we are within the first position and slightly shifting towards the second position, so we're going to just have ascending extended range below. So I'm going to you could listen and pay attention to that point. So step one, C major scale. Step two, sequence one. Okay, so the sixth one now is seventh chords. So yeah, it's more like the arpeggios and added notes. basically that's the 6 steps. The key of C
Yeah,
major.
that's 6 tone. That's 6 tone. I can just if I have my violin, I can just listen to it though and play it
Okay, maybe you should
without.
have mine. Yeah. So it's more like it's similar to the arpeggios. It's just another note, seventh of each arpeggio. So you have do mi so ti, re fa so ti re fa, la do mi so, do mi so ti re fa la 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 do mi so ti so mi do la fa re 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 ti so mi do. Yeah, so I write it out for you, and so we added like a rhythm to it just to make it a bit groovy. You could play it straight.
Yeah.
You could play it straight. Like, I guess like
I'm not playing it straight.
just makes it interesting. Yeah. Okay. So that's the six steps. Start from sequence 2 and just try to play it slowly. You could play it without the loop first. Just try to understand how you could progress before then playing the loop, and then you could still reduce the tempo. You could go down as low as possible so that you can get it. You don't have to play fast. I was trying to maintain this tempo, but at some point I feel like I need to reduce the tempo for sequence 2 and still get it very well, perfectly before I can play it very well at this current tempo. So likewise, I would advise you, recommend you do the same. Yeah, so reduce it regardless of what tempo it is, as much as far as you can play conveniently. Later on, you work your way up.